lot. The average city lot is 20 feet, laid out on straight streets in a gridiron pattern. It is not uncommon to find miles of 16.5-foot lots, and so we observe that the American city is a development of narrow lots. This is the first point. The American city is dense with a narrow lot pattern. Actually, we can often find lots as narrow as 12.5 feet. In observing the narrow lot pattern of our cities, it is important to recognize that all classes of property are included. The word density has so long been associated with slums that we have forgotten in America the important truth that all city people have lived in the narrow lot pattern, including the well-to-do. Many of our finest city homes are to be found on narrow lots. The second point to consider is that density was a way of life for all people and included every type of residential property. A question of importance, therefore, is why did all city dwellers adjust their lives to narrow lots? The reason becomes apparent as we see our city stables. This attractive structure was built to shelter horses. Many stables still remain in our cities. These are now converted into much sought-after apartments. Not long ago, however, horses were moving in and out of this courtyard. If we are alert, we can often see a vestige of the horse and buggy era, like the hitching post. Indeed, we occasionally see old Dobbin himself. It is of the utmost importance for us to remember that throughout most of the history of civilization, man has been dependent upon animals for transportation. This, then, is the basic cause of urban density, and the third important point. Man built densely because of his reliance on horses. Having built densely on narrow lots,